You know, I'm spending hours every day on recording messages to people, and I'm thinking to myself, maybe it's going to be useful. I can share with you a little bit of those recordings because I'm not revealing the identity of the ones who sends me the messages, and the wisdom and the knowledge that is treasured in any one of those answers can be useful for any one of you guys as well. So there's a person here that asks what she needs to do with her life, where she needs to start. Um, she was religious once, but now she stopped keeping and being observant, and she wants to go back and do some, but she doesn't know really where to start. So I'm recording. Shalom Vracha. I hope everything is well with you. I wanted to share with you a short story that happened with me once with one of my friends, a student of mine that learned in my center. And he came with a great question and asked, I want to do tshuva and I don't know where to start. Where do you suggest for me to start doing tshuva? So I told him, instead of looking for sins and crimes and violations to apologize to the Creator about, I would suggest for you to start apologizing and doing tshuva and coming closer to the Creator on your good actions, on your good deeds, on the wonderful mitzvot that you do keep. So why did I told him that? Because sometimes it's too hard for a person to deal with things that are way too heavy for him to deal with. All of his crimes, all of his sins, or for you to be observant, for you to go and follow the rules of the Torah or whatever after all you went through in your life, it might be too heavy. So I would suggest to start with something more simple, like with what that you like with what that you love, with what that you feel relate to, with topics that you find interesting, and to start with them. Just to start doing and keeping them on daily basis. And with time, one day after the next, you'll find yourself happier and happier and more tuned and more connected and more attached to those things that you do, with the great habit of doing them consistently, day by day. And Be'ezrat Hashem, from that you'll find more stability and passion and desire to move forward and to make another step and to do another thing that will give you more joy and will heal you in a deeper and more meaningful way. That's how we spend our lives, helping as many people as we can.